Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a quick and easy makeup look for quarantine. So this makeup look, either you're still in quarantine or if you're out of quarantine. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. To find out what my before quarantine and after quarantine makeup look, please keep on watching. Moisturizer on my face, and I'm using the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This is actually got a purified with water with jojoba and vitamin E that actually feeling my face hydrated. My face using the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist and two foundations today, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define and the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I'll be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camera Concealer in the shade Light and Medium shade. Applying the medium shade first, lighter shade on top of the medium shade, just to help to brighten up my under eyes. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder on my eyes and also on my under eyes. The Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. Using the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. I'm just gonna fill that in using my Morphe E29. Okay, be setting my brows using the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Mascara Gel in the shade Clear. And so my face using the Morphe Bronzer in the shade Debutante. So I'll be using the bronzer shade on my eyelid today, and I'll be using the Morphe X Jeffree Star in number 6. And just applying that on my mobile lid using my finger and just blending that in. My lashes using the Sally Hansen eyelash color. For mascara I'll be using the Essence Lash Princess. eyeliner pencil, which is the coal pencil from Rimmel Scandalize. Applying this on my upper waterline. So with my cheeks today, I'll be using the Maybelline Cheek Hit cream blush in the shade Fuchsia Spark. The e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Berry Sorbet. So to satisfy, I'll be using the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.